Many bird enthusiasts like to plant plants that encourage birds to live in their place. A very good plant that you can plant that encourages birds to be around your house is the American holly. And most people don't look at American holly as something that really attracts birds during the spring, summer, and fall, but the American holly does attract birds over the winter time. Today is January the 7th, and we're having a nice snowfall outside today. Today you should be able to go out to your American holly, and if it has red berries, you'll notice that a lot of the birds are eating them right now. It's difficult to say exactly why the birds wait till it starts to snow for eating the American holly berries, but there's some very good theories out there. One very good theory, and it sounds legit to me, is that other food such as blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, other more delicious food has already been eaten and is now gone, and when at this particular time of the year when it starts to snow and there's less resources out there, the birds tend to eat those red berries off the American holly. That's why over the winter time you'll see more birds in the hollies than you would see during the spring, summer, and fall. The red berries that are on it are red in color. They are not very sweet. They don't really attract the birds. That's why the birds don't eat them when there's other edible things out there to be eaten. So they usually have to wait till all the other food sources are exhausted, and it gets really cold when it snows, so the birds need more energy to survive, and that's when they start eating the less delicious berries off the American holly. But if you did not have the American holly there, they wouldn't have any other food there at this particular time. You might have like a winterberry holly or some other ones, but the American holly is a large holly. It produces a lot of fruit, and it can feed lots of birds for a prolonged period of time. If you like to have birds in the wintertime, you like to see the red robins, you like to see a place for birds to be able to take shelter at, the American holly is a good choice for you.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.